This is the Botslab G980H, a 4-channel dashcam system designed to record from multiple directions at the same time, while combining features like GPS tracking, voice controls, Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone integration, and multi-camera recording into one platform. Now, dashcams have evolved quite a bit over the last few years. What used to be a simple front-facing recorder has become much smarter. The G980H is a good example of that shift, because this isn't just a camera, it's essentially a connected recording system designed to capture, organize, and manage driving footage from several angles simultaneously. So today we're taking a closer look at the Botslab G980H to see how its hardware, software, recording quality, and smart features come together in everyday use. The first thing that separates the G980H from traditional dashcams is its 4-camera architecture. Inside the package, we get the main camera unit, a rear camera, 2 additional side cameras, a 128GB memory card, installation accessories, mounting hardware, documentation, and the necessary cables. At the center of the system sits the primary camera module, which acts as the control hub for the entire setup. What's interesting here is the flexibility. The side modules connect magnetically, which makes installation and positioning surprisingly simple. It's a small design choice, but one that makes the overall system feel more refined. The rear camera and both side cameras connect directly to this main unit, creating a synchronized 4-channel recording system. The side cameras can be used to monitor the sides of the vehicle or adjusted for interior coverage depending on how the system is being used. That gives the G980H a level of adaptability that many traditional dashcams simply don't offer. One area where the G980H immediately feels modern is the user interface. The dashcam features a 3.18-inch touchscreen display that allows us to navigate settings, switch camera views, review footage, and manage recordings directly from the device. The screen responds quickly to inputs and makes navigating through menus straightforward. More importantly, we can view all 4 camera feeds simultaneously or jump into individual camera views whenever we want a closer look. This is especially useful because 4-channel systems naturally generate more information than traditional dashcams. Botslab does a good job of organizing everything in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming. The camera also begins recording automatically as soon as power is supplied. Once the vehicle starts, the camera starts working without requiring any additional input. Beyond the touchscreen, Botslab also includes voice control functionality. Instead of interacting with the screen while driving, we can use voice commands to save important recordings, capture photos, or perform other actions hands-free. This is one of those features that sounds simple on paper but becomes genuinely useful during real-world use. In situations where something unexpected happens on the road, being able to save footage without touching the camera can be extremely convenient. Combined with automatic recording and intelligent file management, the overall experience feels much more automated than older dashcam systems. Of course, video quality remains one of the most important aspects of any dashcam. The front camera records in 3K resolution by default, providing a strong balance between image quality and storage efficiency. For users who prioritize maximum detail, the front camera can also be switched to 4K recording through the settings menu. Naturally, higher resolutions consume more storage space, but it's nice having the option available. The remaining cameras record in Full HD, creating a balanced multi-camera system that maintains consistent recording quality across all viewing angles. Footage generally appears sharp and detailed, with enough clarity to capture road signs, surrounding traffic, lane markings, and vehicle activity around the car. Considering the amount of processing required to record from 4 cameras simultaneously, the overall recording performance is impressive. One thing we immediately appreciated is Botslab's decision to include a 128GB memory card in the box. Many dashcams still ship with 64GB cards, and some don't include one at all. In a 4-channel system, storage capacity becomes significantly more important because multiple video streams are being recorded simultaneously. Including a larger memory card right out of the box means users can start recording immediately without worrying about upgrading storage on day one. For us, one of the strongest parts of the entire system is the companion app. The G980H supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing fast communication between the dashcam and a smartphone. Instead of removing the memory card whenever footage is needed, we can connect directly to the camera through the app and access recordings wirelessly. From there, downloading videos, deleting files, reviewing recordings, adjusting settings, and managing the system becomes incredibly simple. The interface feels intuitive, and the faster Wi-Fi connection helps reduce the frustration that often comes with transferring large video files. Considering how much footage a 4-channel camera can generate, having a reliable mobile experience becomes a major advantage. Another area where the G980H stands out is how it presents recorded information. The included GPS functionality doesn't just log location data behind the scenes. During playback, the camera overlays useful information directly onto the video. We can see speed readings, directional information, altitude data, timestamps, GPS coordinates, and recording timers displayed alongside the footage. This creates a much more informative playback experience compared to simply watching a standard video file. Whether we're reviewing an incident, checking driving data, or simply looking back at a recording, the additional information provides valuable context and makes the footage more useful overall. After spending time with the Botslab G980H, what stands out most is how complete the overall package feels. The 4-camera recording system is obviously the headline feature, but the experience goes well beyond simply adding extra cameras. The responsive touchscreen, voice controls, GPS integration, data-rich playback overlays, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and well-designed companion app all work together to create a system that feels genuinely modern. We also appreciate practical additions like the included 128 GB memory card and the flexibility to switch the front camera between 3K and 4K recording modes. For users looking for more than just a basic dash cam, the G980H offers a strong combination of hardware, software, connectivity, and recording capability in a single package. That was our look at the Botslab G980H 4-channel dash cam. Thanks for watching, and as always, let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to share it with someone looking for their next tech upgrade.